How to make money with LINKVERTISE, and is it possible to make $100 per day? Well, you'll be learning all of that in this video and even more. Hello everyone, my name is Jason. The first thing I want you to do is go onto linkvertise.com, and as you can see, it is a search engine, but we'll not be using the search engine feature as it's also a link shortener. And the beauty about their link shortener program is that they pay up to $70 for 1,000 clicks. They are one of the highest paying link shortener around. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down to the end of the page, and you're going to tap on go to publisher area, and from here you'll simply sign up with your email address and create a password. Once you have done that, you'll be led to the dashboard section. And once in the dashboard section, you're going to tap on create link, as you can see that I have done, and you'll be led to this page right here. Now you may be wondering where you're going to get the link from that persons are going to click on, and also how are you going to be able to get at least 1,000 persons to view your links and click on them. Well, to do that, we'll be using YouTube. There are numerous niches that you could choose from, but I would recommend that you choose the health niche or the relationship niche or how to make money. So I'll be using the health niche for this example, and I'll simply did a quick YouTube search of how to build muscles for beginners. And for this, I have chosen this video right here. And once you have selected the video that you think is a good choice, you will simply open the video. And what you're going to do is simply copy the link right here. And after you have copied the link, I would also recommend that you watch the video and at least get a little bit of understanding about the topic that you're about to explain. And after you have done that, you are going to go onto Google, and from here you can type in health forums, and you can select any health forum that you would like, or you could type in weight loss forum. It all depends on the niche that you're trying to target and also the video that you plan to use from YouTube. But for this example, I'll be using Quora. As you may know, Quora is one of the most popular forums around. So once on Quora, I simply did a quick search of how can you lose fat and build muscle, and these were some of the results that I got. As you can see right here, there are a lot of persons interacting with these topics and these questions that person that answered, and you are going to do the same thing. As you can search on Quora or any platform, the same questions that you have typed in on YouTube, you can search in the platform on the forum, and you'll simply paste the link right there once answering the question. And I would recommend that just like you see right here, you can give a basic answer, which you'll get some knowledge from the YouTube video that I recommend that you watch. Once you have gotten some knowledge, you'll simply start typing your answer, and then you can leave the same thing like right here, and the person will click on your link, and once they click on your link, you'll be able to start making money. And it's as simple as that. The beauty about this is if you leave a lot of links, after a while it becomes completely passive. So let's say you do this every day for a week. After that, you can stop, and once persons visit those forums and tap on your link, you'll be able to start making money. And even if you don't hit the high payment threshold of $70, you'll still be earning money, because persons will be visiting the forum and they will be reading your answers, and more than likely they will be clicking on your link, and you'll be able to earn money. But otherwise, from that, a way how you can earn quick money from Linkverse is by tapping on their affiliate program. As with their affiliate program, you'll be able to refer your link right here to new customers, whether that be friends and family, and you'll be able to earn 5% of their income.